a fantastic beauty shot for us. And of course, also, if you noticed, it's still light out, which is never easy to get used to. You're always kind of in a little bit of a shock for at least a couple of days. But yeah, the sunshine is still abundant. Watches and warnings. We'll go ahead and put the one up for the Sierra Nevada. We're expecting to see more watches and more advisories extending more into our region over the next couple of days. The Weather Service will probably get a better idea of exact timing and trajectories and all that stuff, and they'll start looking for the possibility of maybe some concerns with regard to flooding and or maybe even our own areas getting some mountain snows. Right now, widespread 50s and 60s, a little cool out there, not overly warm today, but definitely a nice day out there. But the sea breeze coming in out of the northwest, mainly mostly west actually, as it does. Of course, cools you off. That ocean got really chilled down the last couple of days with all the winds out of the northwest, and that can definitely affect our weather. Humidity values still not really recovering a whole lot. Still kind of a dry sky out there for the most part, but patchy fog is possible overnight and late night tomorrow morning. Looking at the big map, boy, a lot of activity going across the country. They're looking for a big warm up in the middle portion, a lot of heavy storms to the southeast. And for us, we'll go ahead and focus on our next system, which is still offshore. This will be the system, and this is what I went ahead for my bullet points. Monday will be sort of a transition day. We'll look good in the morning, maybe some clouds late, sprinkles possibly on Tuesday. Best chance for rain for us, though, will be coming in more toward Wednesday and Thursday. And here's why. There's the system, and it looks very impressive, but look where it kind of stalls out right here, and then it scoots south, and not a whole lot of that makes its way into our region. Round two is the next system, and that is Wednesday going into Thursday, and those yellows and dark greens right there, that's high cloud top values. That means basically you get moderate, at least moderate rainfall, maybe even some heavy stuff will kind of pocket in there. That drifts southward late Wednesday into Thursday. Showers continue behind that, mountain snow. Then another system knocks on the door again as we head toward Friday, maybe lingering into Saturday, but it looks like the biggest concern, or at least the most attention, will be for Wednesday and Thursday. And of course, we'll detail that out as we go through the week over the next couple of days. So scattered chances will develop once we get to Tuesday, but watch how it just kind of slides past us. And then every so often, a little band of energy does try to swing up at us. But again, this is the one that runs well into Southern California and even northern Baja, if you will. And that's just the way it goes with these things. They have a mind of their own. This is the second one we'll focus on. So the future track rainfall through Tuesday, very light, a little heavier to the south, but then watch what happens on Wednesday. We kick it up, and these are fairly impressive rain totals. They've gone up a bit over the last couple of runs, so basically it looks like the weather computers are getting a bit excited about what's expected toward the middle of next week. So again, Wednesday and Thursday. There's your forecasted highs for Monday. Looks like we might knock a few degrees off of where we were today, but overall still right at seasonal norms, if not slightly above. Just really a good way to start the, Monday. And also, as we have the time change, of course, it will be very cool in the morning because it will be a little dark for all the kids going to school. Anybody getting up early is going to definitely feel even earlier than it should. 36 for a morning low in Ojai, but you top out at 69. Santa Paula, you'll make it up to 70. That's one of the warm spots for our three-county region. Surf kind of lingering. It's nothing spectacular, but there are some waves out there about chest to head high on west and northwest facing beaches. And there's your very busy forecast as we go again. Tuesday chances, but more than likely we'll see the heaviest energy on Wednesday and Thursday with scattered chances beyond that going all the way through much of next week, possibly all the way to St. Patrick's Day, which would be Monday the 17th, and that's off of our 7-day map. So again, we are looking at some more weather as we head toward next week. Pay attention, especially Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be right back.